Welcome to Sunrise Auto Sales, where we've been putting people first since 1991. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with dual-stage driver and passenger seat mounted side airbags, tow hooks, keyless entry, dual shift mode transmission, advanced track electronic stability control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, auxiliary audio input, passenger airbag, stability control, and much more. At family-owned Sunrise Auto Sales, we respect and value our customers, with our goal being to provide a no-hassle buying experience and 100% customer satisfaction. We do this by providing honest and transparent pricing with no made-up dealer fees, a 30-day, 1,000-mile satisfaction guarantee, and our exclusive Fresh Start financing program that virtually assures everyone could get approved for financing. So come experience a better way to buy a car and come visit us at Sunrise Auto Sales today.